Today we're gonna play Neon Cat Lost in Space, and I gotta turn down my volume some. There we go. Let's play. Wait, go back. Skin. Someone created this one. I'll play with it. That Neon Wings. Let's play. Whee! Who am I running from? Oh well. Let's fly. I wanna fly. Okay, I'll just collect the coins. Ouch. I just popped my toe. Whee! My rainbow's so pretty. Going so fast. This music is actually really catchy. By the way, link down in the comments if you want me to play some Roblox. I still haven't gotten any videos made on that. Link down if you want to do a roleplay with me on anything. This video might be kind of short. Don't know yet. Just trying to play this cool game I just downloaded. Guess this is a free skin that I get. Wait, I want to see what happens if I just swap. Just keep walking, just keep walking. Go now. Oh, crap. That's violent. Lucky bucks. And I got coins. No. I don't want to play. Back. Classic. Change world. Ooh. Okay. So we are going to play. I don't really know what I should and shouldn't eat, so I'm just going to eat everything. My name's not Hannah. Whee! Magnet. Ice cream, LOL. Oh god. What happened? Oh my god. What the heck happened? I'll continue. Click 5 points during one game. 5 to go. Collect 250 meters during one game. 350 to go. Decapitate 5 bombs during one game. 5 to go. Continue. Well, that's for this video. Link down in the comments if you want me to play some more Neon Cat, any other games. And I'll see you guys in my next video.